everyone. Today we will see how to make a tasty, creamy and an easy kiwi ice cream. To make this kiwi ice cream, I am using my large mixie jar. For the cream, I am using 2 packets of red packet Amul whipping cream. Instead of this, if you have any other heavy whipping cream, you can use that. I've given all the ingredients list in the description box, you can check it out. Transfer the cream into the mixie jar and then add 1 whole tin of condensed milk. You can adjust the sweetness of this ice cream as per your choice. Now close the mixie and blend it all together till it's nice and smooth like this. Next we'll add the kiwi fruit. I'm adding large pieces of kiwi at this stage because I want some chunks of kiwi in my ice cream. If you want your ice cream to be smooth without any traces of the fruit, then make sure you add the kiwis at the beginning, blend it to a smooth paste and then add the cream and condensed milk. But I like having chunks of the fruit in my ice cream, so I'm adding it last so that it won't get pulsed completely, but there will be few pieces here and there to eat. Blend it all together and then transfer it to a freezer safe box. At this stage, if you want, you can add some green color also, but I'm making this ice cream for my family, so I just kept it plain and natural. Transfer it to this box, close it and freeze it for about 24 hours. This is after freezing it for 1 whole day. The ice cream is well set. So our easy and creamy tasty kiwi ice cream is all set to serve. This is one of the easiest ice creams that you can make at home. If your family loves kiwi, then this is an awesome dessert to make. Kids will definitely love it. It's so easy to make it too. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.